So we're here at the PGRO Open Day, where one of the things that people can do is they can look at the descriptive list spring bean trials and have a look at the different varieties that are available. So you see as we walk along here, we've got 19 different varieties in the descriptive list trial here that people can look at and see how they're growing, see how they're podding, look at the different heights and things. And this is part of a trial series that we do across the UK to form the descriptive list, where for the spring beans we've got 10 different sites, and the data then is collected over 5 years to form the data set that ends up being the lists. So as part of some of the varieties that people see, we have things like Maris Bead, which has been on the list a very long time when it's sort of hitting its very unique market. We've also got different traits that can be seen in different things. So Macho here is a very large seeded variety and also quite vigorous in its growth. So on the list there's also a range of maturity. So here is our earliest variety, Yukon. And the list also contains LVC varieties such as Futura and Victus, which is further down. A lot of people here will be comparing stuff to the varieties that they know, like Lynx, which forms a large part of the growing area. They can act as a point of comparison for people to have a look at what the new varieties look like when grown in the same conditions as it. As part of the descriptive list trials, we're not only taking things to yield, but we'll also do assessments during the season, looking at things like disease levels. This site's fairly clean, but you can still pick out some differences within varieties, particularly earlier on, such as varieties like Viper here, which is a very resistant variety. For more information on the spring bean and winter bean descriptive lists, you can go to the PGRO website, pgro.org. You can use the PGRO app, or you could look it up in the winter edition of Pulse magazine.